Okay, so I just received my Khukuri from Gurkha's Blades. This is a Thapa fighting Khukuri, and of course you can see it's been pretty well wrapped up. Nice and tight. I'll open it up and we'll see what it looks like. I'm not going to bore you with cutting this thing open, but I will mention that it was shipped on Tuesday from Nepal and got all the way to Cincinnati by Friday. So the shipping was extremely fast. It's amazing. Okay, it took me a little bit to get it all out of the packaging. It was wrapped really well with foam. Since this is my first Khukuri, I will say that I'm extremely impressed with the quality. Everything is it's just amazing how well it's put together. The handle is beautiful. Buttstock, very nicely done. And let's see if I can pull this out without. Alright, I'll tell you what I'm going to do so I don't cut my fingers off. I'm going to pause it and pull it out. Okay, so very nicely tight, nice and tight fit in the scabbard. It's cold outside here, so, and I brought it into a warm house, so I am getting a little condensation on it. It was very well oiled when I unpacked it. So as you can see, scroll work is very nice. The blade is sharp as a razor. I've already cut a few pieces of paper with it. There's absolutely no there's no marks on it that you would expect to see from something that's been beaten to death with a sledgehammer, which really surprised me because I expected it to be show a little bit of blacksmith marks. But the blade is beautiful. It's very well balanced. It's heavier than I had expected it to be. Fits in my hand very nicely. It's really kind of hard to show the whole thing while I'm holding the camera as well. Beautiful blade, beautiful. The chakmak. This is the chakmak, and again, the finish work on the handle is very nice. Nicely done. Carta. Another very nice piece. So Neem, you have outdone yourself. It's beautiful. I love it. I would highly recommend any of these Khukuris. I'm definitely going to buy another one. I'll do a longer review once I get a chance to play with this some more, but it just came out of the package, so as you can see, I'm happy. You can't beat this. This is just great workmanship.